What is up, everybody? Another video with me, the Grooming Guru, and today we are going to unbox this big PR package with a whole lot of products that I've got in from the guys at Nykaa Men. They sent these across in PR. While some of the products, let me just show you, like there's a whole bunch of products in there. While some of the products I have tried and tested, which I'm going to talk to you about, some of them are not really tried and tested. They're all just really the new cool trending products in the market right now for men's grooming. So I mean, the idea of this video is just to show you what are the products out there and what's really cool and what you can go and do your research, and of course some of the products that I have tried and tested myself. So let's do this. Let's check out what's in this big grooming box. Some of these grooming products. Okay, Beardo. I've used Beardo's products before, so I think they're really good quality. This is hair growth oil. So you directly apply this on facial and scalp hair. So this is really nice because you can use it both on your beard and on your scalp. I am going to try this product to see how it helps. It kind of nourishes your hair from deep within to prevent hair fall. So this is what was in there. Once again, guys, just remind you, these are all products that have come in PR. Gillette Skin Guard Sensitive razor. This costs about 350 bucks. It looks really nice. I have not used a razor to my face in God knows how many years because I've always kept this stubble and I just keep trimming. So I have not really shaved. I wouldn't be able to give you an honest razor review, but for those of you who use any good razors, please feel free to leave me a comment and tell me what you think. The Man Company, they've got some really nice products. Once again, I love homegrown grooming brands and grooming products, and they've got this cologne called Cologne Intense, which is really nice. Try some. Very, very nice, smooth and very fresh for daytime use. What else do we have? We have a face wash, the Nivea Men face wash. Guys, I've used Nivea Men's products and they're really good. At least they work for me. The Nivea Men face wash dark spot reduction. I don't know how far this promise about removing dark spots is true, because I mean, I haven't really seen a big difference, but in terms of like keeping my face clean and really smooth after a workout or a long day, or just taking out that grime, it feels really clean and nice. So this product, tried and tested by me, it's about 200 rupees in the market, so not expensive but really good quality. Another face wash that I have tried is the Garnier Men Oil Clear Deep Cleansing Icy Face Wash. This costs about 285 bucks for this big tube. So these are really affordable products and are good quality products. I have used this one. It's worked for me. I wouldn't say that it's the best one for me in the market because I still love using my Himalaya Neem Green. But this did not really cause any breakouts or anything for me, but whatever. I would recommend it if it suits your skin. That's pretty much all I'm going to say. What else do we have? We've got a packet of Durex Air Ultra Thin Condoms. Guys, remember, safe sex, very important. So we're not going to discount that as well. Oh my god, Cologne. Guys, you know how much I love my cars, and there is a Jaguar Cologne that has come in. Oops, I've just taken the cap off only. Okay guys, I've been using these Jaguar Colognes ever since I was like in my 20s. That they're really good. Not super expensive. I think I've taken off the tag. So once again, very good product. So really fresh and nice. Great for using just for like everyday use. So just in case you missed that, it's the Jaguar Classic Motion Cologne, which is really nice. What else do we have? We have the MCaffeine. Am I pronouncing this brand right? MCaffeine Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Mask. So apparently this brand uses coffee to kind of work on your face. Acne control, oil control tools. Powered by salicylic acid, this mask helps in acne control. It has kaolin clay that is known for removing excess oil from the skin and helping in oil control. I think I should try this product out because I'm having a bit of a breakout these days. India's first caffeinated personal care brand, okay, with caffeine at the heart of our products being designed to bring you the best in hair and skin care. Guys, you know how much I love my coffee. I'm a coffee addict, so I've never really used any caffeine products on my skin. So maybe I might want to try this out and let you know. The Nykaa mask, the sheet mask. I've got the tea tree, aloe vera and clear moisturized skin. Love these masks, guys. These are really good products. I'm going to tell you how much this costs. This costs 100 rupees. Made in Korea, by the way. Nykaa gets these masks made in Korea. 100 rupees. I've spoken about these masks previously. The MuscleBlaze multivitamin. I mean, I'm going to read up a little bit more before consuming these multivitamins, but they seem like a regular daily consumption and multivitamins. Okay, so guys, remember, when it comes to multivitamins or anything, you need to do your due diligence. I love these little bottles of like Mediterranean sea salt. It smells so good. This is shower gel, guys. Nykaa's homegrown shower gel. What else do we have? I have one more product. The Beard Growth Oil Advanced Ustraa. Ustraa is another product that I have been watching on my radar. The Beard Growth Oil comes in a bottle like this, and you need to put a small amount of palm and work evenly onto beard. Okay, so this enhances beard growth and covers all patchy areas, says the box, and it costs about 700 rupees. Comes with this little applicator here. So all of you guys who have long beards and who are probably having like itchiness in the beards and all, you might want to read up and try some of these products. I've got a Bombay Shaving Company. Guys, I do not shave, but once again I'm going to talk about this because a lot of you do shave. Bombay Shaving Company products are excellent, by the way. I've tried using some of their face products. They're really good quality. They smell amazing. This is 245 bucks for this big can of shaving foam with Moroccan and argan oil. So it seems like quite an affordable product. And once again, vitamin C, guys. I've been talking about vitamin C in my skincare routine a lot. So the Man Company's vitamin C face serum boosts collagen and even skin tone. I need to try this out and let you know. It costs about 500 rupees, guys. Vitamin C has really been working on my skin. I've got the Body Shop vitamin C moisturizer and it really works for me. They say that vitamin C is really good for anti-aging and to kind of keep your skin really healthy. That's one of the short ways to have glowing skin, is to incorporate vitamin C into your skincare regimen. So yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. These are all the products that I received in this big PR box. If you have any product recommendations, please feel free to let me know what you think. I'm happy to have these grooming discussions and of course answer any of the grooming queries that you might have. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am waiting to hear from you. Till then, till my next video, stay safe.